we have the monthly sales, this is per year, and we have this is sales per every month, and we need to calculate firstly the sales per year. So we use the sum function. Everyone familiar with sum function equals sum function. So you have two ways if you need to, with your mouse, start from January to December, drag it like way, close it, and then you click. And there is another way I see it useful if you don't need to just go with sum function, open the parentheses. You're starting from here B3, just B3, not B2, and then M3. So he will highlight the all the beginning and the ending of your row. Now you'll have you drag it down, you'll have this is the total sales per year. If we need to check another things, to check the growth from the previous year. So if you need to check how much this is the growth from previous year, so we is assembly equal to, this is the second year minus the first year. Okay, you will see the growth is an increase by $66,000. So this is how much is an increase from the previous year. If we need to see how much exactly is an increase, we know the growth. We calculate the growth rate. We know how much exactly this is an increase. So the growth rate equal to, this is the growth from previous year divided by the sum from the sum for the first year, equal to, so this is an increase of 0.050, almost, if you need to check the percentage, so it's like 8% is an increase. Is an increase by 8%. Another useful things, another basic calculations using spreadsheet, if you need to check the average per month, equal to average. What's wrong with that? Okay, I can drag it for all. This one number December. We calculate the how much the average. Now, if we calculate the average per month, this is the average monthly sales per month. If we need is to highlight what is the lowest value, what is the highest value, the best way is to showing by colors, and the best tool to do that is from home. And conditional formatting and new rules. So from the rules, now here format all the cells based on their value. So we'll format the cells based on the value, so for the minimum value and the maximum value. This is like the color trend. For the minimum value, I would like to put some like light blue colors, and for the maximum value I would like to choose, for example, those red colors. Give him OK. So we'll see the lowest value and the highest value. It will be easy for you to track your data. Okay, if you need to calculate the minimum, the lowest monthly average, lowest monthly average, and the highest monthly average. Highest monthly average. So for the lowest monthly average, you only have to find the minimum, min, and you have to select your data. This for minimum, close it. This is the lowest monthly average, and for the highest monthly average, you have to put your data equal to minimum, maximum. Use the minimum and maximum for maximum data. You select your data and then close it, and you have the maximum. Highest monthly average is the maximum, and lowest monthly average it is 46,000. So okay, we know today, so we have the sum functions, we check the growth from the previous year, and we check the growth rate, and also we learn how to make the colors conditional formatting to color the lower part and high part of your data, and then we lose minimum, maximum. It's so basic, I know that, but it's so essential. We have to go through it. It is essential, and you have to do that. So please leave me a subscribe and comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.